In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Windows 11 taskbar icons not showing. If your taskbar looks empty or certain icons have mysteriously disappeared, don't worry. This quick walkthrough will help you bring them back. We'll refresh the part of Windows that controls your desktop and taskbar, then make sure the right icons are enabled in Settings. First, open Task Manager using a simple keyboard shortcut. Press Ctrl, Shift, and ESC at the same time. This opens Task Manager immediately, so you don't have to navigate through menus. Once it's open, look for Windows Explorer in the Processes tab. This process is responsible for the desktop, taskbar, and File Explorer windows, so restarting it can clear up visual glitches without affecting your personal files. When you find Windows Explorer in the list, right-click it and choose Restart. Your screen may flicker briefly, the taskbar might disappear for a moment, and your desktop icons could blink. That's normal. Give it a few seconds to reload. When it comes back, check your taskbar to see if the missing icons have returned. Often, this alone fixes the issue. Next, let's confirm that the right icons are allowed to appear on the taskbar. Click the Start button, then click Settings. In the Settings window, select Personalization and then choose Taskbar. This area controls what shows up directly on your taskbar and which icons appear in the system tray, the small area near the clock. Look through the available options and turn on the toggles for the icons you want to appear. For example, you can enable taskbar items like Search or Task View, and you can choose which system tray icons are visible all the time versus which ones live in the overflow menu. If you're trying to keep an app's icon visible near the clock, make sure its toggle is on so it doesn't get hidden. If you prefer a cleaner look, you can turn off items you don't need. The key is to switch on the options for the icons you want to see at a glance. After adjusting those settings, glance back at the taskbar to confirm your choices took effect. Between refreshing Windows Explorer and fine-tuning your taskbar preferences, your icons should now be visible and behaving the way you expect. If the issue pops up again in the future, you can repeat the quick restart of Windows Explorer and revisit these taskbar settings. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you get your Windows 11 taskbar back to normal.